Hi everyone, this is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve a problem related with the limit of a function. And please watch this video till the end so that you will get the solution of this particular question as well as some basic ideas of the limit calculation of a function. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of the uploaded videos. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. Here I have taken a question, limit x approaches to a of the function a minus x times tangent of pi x over 2a. This is the question. First step is, while calculation of the limit, the very first step is checking the point. Let's check when the x approaches to a, the function gives the definite form or indeterminate form. Let's check when x approaches to a. When x tends to a, these expressions will be 0 times, and inside this tangent function there will be uh, the form infinite, 0 times infinite. And remember, very important point, 0 times infinite is indeterminate form in mathematics. This is indeterminate form. Here the form when x approaches to a will be 0 times infinite. This is indeterminate form. So we have to do the extra things for the calculation of the limit of that function. Let's simplify this function. Limit x approaches to a, here is the a is the sum number of the function a minus x times, and remember very important point on the trigonometric ratio, the tangent can be written as the cotangent pi over 2 minus the same angle, here the angle is pi x over 2a. Tan theta, please remember this very important formula, the tan theta can be written as cot pi over 2 minus theta. It is very important trigonometric ratio for the complementary angles. Cot pi by 2 minus theta gives the tangent theta, tan theta. Here we just apply this formula in this step. And the next step is limit x approaches to a of the of the function a minus x times. Let's simplify these two fractions inside the parenthesis first. Cot of, let's simplify, here the LCM of the denominator is 2 times 2a. Here the LCM of the denominator is just 2a, and then in numerator um, pi a minus pi x. Here we just uh, use the concept of the LCM of the denominator and then simplify these two fractions. And let's simplify again. Limit x approaches to a of the function a minus x times, here inside the parenthesis we can take as a pi as a common. So let's take the pi as a common, and the remaining term will be a minus x over 2a. Here we just take pi as a common in the numerator only, and let's simplify again. Limit x tends to a of the function a minus x times the cotangent of this, and the cotangent of theta, cot theta, can be written as 1 over tan theta. And let's write in the tangent form. This can be written as tan of phi times a minus x over 2a. Here in this step we just apply the formula cot theta is same as 1 over tan theta. Here we apply this formula in this step, and we have very important result on the limit of the trigonometric function. Let me write here the limit when theta tends to 0, when theta tends to 0 of the function theta over tan theta, it always gives the result 1. Please remember, memorize this very important result of the limit of the trigonometric function. Limit theta tends to 0, theta over tan theta always gives result 1. I am going to make this expression, our expressions, in the form of this expression, and this can be further simplified as limit x approaches to a, here the a minus x, here inside the tangent function the angle is here pi times a minus x over 2a. Here we already have the term a minus x, so we have to do extra things here, multiplying by pi and divide by 2a all over this term as it is, tan of pi times a minus x all over 2a. Here in this step we do the extra things here. We just multiply the numerator, our numerator, by pi over 2a. So we have to divide the same quantity for balancing. This will be 2a over pi. This pi will be cancelled out, 2a will be cancelled out, and our expressions will be same as the previous. I am going to make in this format, in the standard format of the limit of theta over tan theta, and this can be further simplified as here the when x approaches to a, this can be simplified as when x minus a approaches to 0. X tends to a means x minus a tends to 0. They are similar, and this expression as it is a minus x times pi over 2a all over this, all over tangent of tan of pi times a minus x over 2a. And here the our expressions, this is the constant of 2a over pi, and here this expression is in standard form. When theta approaches, it is like this format: theta approaches to 0, theta tends to 0, theta over tan theta. This will give the result 1. This enclosed part, gives the result 1 because it is in the standard form, in this form. So in place of these expressions we can write as a 1 times, this is the constant number, this is the constants, 2a over pi. This is just 2a over pi. This is the final answer of this particular question. Here we finally obtain the result of the limit of that function, limit of the given function, as the limiting value as a 2a over pi. This is the whole solution of this particular question. In our next video, we will discuss more about the limit calculations of a function. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel. This much for today. Thank you.